Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another installment of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration. This is the Vault collection. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Bling Boss. No, it's Bling Boss. It's not even Boss Bling. The Bling Boss palette. Try saying that 5 times fast. Bling Boss, Bling Boss, Bling Boss, Bling Boss, Bling Boss. Okay. This is the purpley tones, cool tones. I, again, have no idea what I'm going to do with it. So we're just going to get started. I'm actually going to do this one a little differently. I'm going to do this one voiceover style because just to change it up, I'm listening to an audiobook and I don't want to pause it. So that's what we're going to do today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, my eyes are already primed and ready, and actually I'm probably not going to do as much voiceover on this one just because I would rather show you what I'm doing than tell you what I'm doing. But I will put all of the shade names on the screen for you so you can see what shades I'm using. And also, let's just ignore the elephant in the room, i.e. my bra hanging in the background. It's no secret I wear one, you wear one too. Also, I got it at Nordstrom and it's very cute. If you want me to link that, I will. Okay, hello, I'm back. So about this time I started getting frustrated with the palette. I know purples are kind of hard to formulate, but the fallout was real. Now I usually don't really care about fallout, but if you notice, it kind of looks a bit patchy. Now I do like the colors and I thought that everything was blending together. Also I'm winging it out a little bit here. Just following that shape of my lower lash line, bringing it up. But yeah, it looks a little patchy and it's fallen out and it's taken me a long time. You really have to work with these, it's what I'm finding. Now, I am liking the way that it's coming out, but it's a struggle, you guys. It's a struggle, okay? Y'all, I'm trying so hard to give this shadow the benefit of the doubt. I'm spraying it with Max Fix Plus. I'm going over it with layers on layers. And it still just isn't performing like I want it to. It's taken me a very long time to build it up. There's a lot of footage I edited out of this just because that would be so boring. But I'm really working with this shadow, and now I didn't necessarily want it to be like super cut crease. That's why I didn't go in with like a concealer or something like that. I wanted it to kind of blend into the rest of the look. But I don't know, this shadow for me was just really subpar, but I'm still trying. I still have faith in it at this point. But look at that, it's just not, I just want it to be more, you know? I just need more from Bling Bling, you know? 3 years later of me trying to make this shadow the way I want it to look, I finally decided to go in with my finger and try to blend it out a little bit. Update, I still was not super impressed with it. I just don't know. It looks pretty, it's just not what I wanted it to be. It's just not. So I'm gonna go back in with the shade Rockstar and try to feather those two together just to try to make something happen, because it's not as sparkly as I wanted it to be. So now I'm just trying to make it look, you know, one with each other. So I went ahead and popped on the rest of my makeup, you know, off camera and all the goods. So now I'm just going to do that lower lash line. So I had kind of this bright idea to go in with a little bit of a different tone with the shade Gem in the palette. To me, this one doesn't really fit with the rest of them, but it's such a pretty color that I wanted to try to incorporate it somehow. And I actually really like the way it looks. If you just look at the palette, it kind of sticks out. But when I put it together with all the other shades, it looked really nice. I was a big fan. In fact, I thought this kind of tied the look together. This shade on the lower lash line really made up for what Bling Bling did not do for me. You know what I'm saying? It looks really good. I'm a fan. Final thoughts. I do like the way that the look turned out. I really like the way that the shade Gem looks on the lower lash line. I really like that. All in all, I know purples, from what I've heard, are harder to develop. Having said that, I still love them. I think that they, for the most part, performed well. I will say, of the ones that I've tried so far, which is all of them but the, what's that one called? All of them but Ring the Alarm. I will say so far this one is my least favorite. I thought that the mattes performed really well. I had a really hard time using the shade Bling Bling, which is not really, it's that shimmer shade that I used. It's not really like a purple though. It's more like a pinky mauve-y rose. And I had kind of a tough time trying to build that up in the inner corner, but I did have to spray it with MAC Fix Plus, and it still took me a long time to build up, and it's still not as like in your face as I want it to be. But overall, I think, you know, the look turned out good. I think you can most certainly make pretty looks with this palette. I probably won't be reaching for this one as much as the other two, but I still like it. I don't wear a whole lot of purple eyeshadow, but I do really like the way it's looking right now. So yeah, all in all, this one's okay. This one's okay. I like it. I like the way it looks. I'll play with the other shimmers in the palette and see if those are, maybe it's just that one shade, the way it's pressed. I don't know. Maybe it was user error. I don't know. Y'all try it and let me know. But yeah, that's all I have for today. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down there. Drop me a comment letting me know how you like it. Next time I will be doing the Ring the Alarm palette, and that will wrap up the series on the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So, until next time, you guys. Bye.